Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Shout out to my festive Charlie Brown mug. I'm just drinking some coffee because it's cold here in Canada. It's finally had our first snowfall, so I just thought this was appropriate to get in the spirit since Christmas is next month. Wow. I've kind of just accepted that I have a double chin. Anyways, random fact. Today for you guys, I just wanted to come on and do a quick unboxing, but it's a basket that I won from Shoppers Drug Mart, so I thought it would be cool to come on here and just show you the contents that I won. It's just from their beauty events that they have in store, and then they reached out on Instagram. Luckily, I've been able to win things recently. I won tickets to Jim Gaffigan, the comedian in Toronto, last month, and then this month I won tickets for the masterclass for the company Aldo. So enter contest because you just never know, honestly. But anyways, I was lucky enough and I want to share with you guys. I haven't seen anything yet. I left it in the basket. So my first item is super bougie. I'm really happy about this one because I love fragrances, and this is the Miss Dior, and it's the Roses and Roses. It smells so fresh and feminine and very pretty. This could become my everyday scent, but I think I'm gonna save this for next year. It's more like, it smells like a spring summer kind of scent. So I like the orange one bottle with the flowers on top, but this is one of the classics. So I'm happy I got a full size of those because they're very expensive on their own. Next we have an Avane Sarah Extra Calm AD Ultra Cleansing Bar. So this is for the body. I love soaps. I'm more on that kind of side. People can give me, like, if they give to me body washes, I'll use them, but I don't really buy them myself personally anymore. I just prefer the longevity of a soap. And this one's nice and clean, not too chemically. Next, we have another fragrance. This is a Versace. So this is like a coffet, as they call them. And you get a variety of scents, which is so cool because you don't know what you're feeling for that day. So I do already like the Yellow Diamond. I've smelled this before last year, and I do really enjoy this one. So the gold one I also have as well right now in a travel size. So these are really cute. You just pop them in your bag or you can re-gift them. And yeah, Versace I feel is very underrated. They do have some really good fragrances. Next, we have another fragrance. This is a YSL Eau de Perfume. So this one is just a mini. It's so adorable. Look how small this thing is. Look at that. I've never seen one of this tiny before. Like, this is my first time, but I'll probably re-gift this to a guy in my life because I don't use manly fragrances, which you can as a woman for unisex purposes. I also have here the Avène Clarins Purifying Mattifying. So this is the cleansing gel. I do really enjoy gels, but they're not my favorite type of consistency when it comes to skincare. But now it's getting colder outside, so I do want something a little bit more on the hydrating side. We also have the Black Opium YSL Shimmering Moisture Fluid for the body. So this would be nice for like taking pictures, and I imagine like on a tropical setting, like next year maybe, like this is nice for photo shoots. So we'll see, but my skin is sensitive to fragrances, so we'll see about that one. We also have the Lotus Aroma. I'm not sure who this brand is. I haven't tried it before, with hyaluronic acid. It's a serum for an anti-wrinkle day cream. And next we also have a deodorant by Lotus Aroma. Again, this is 100% natural, so I love cruelty-free and like natural products. Again, like I said, because I do have keratosis psoriasis, so I have to be very careful what I put on my skin. So yeah, and my skin is going through it right now because I am on my period. So next we have this Strivectin, again another brand that I can get familiar with, Anniversary Essentials. So we have a moisturizing concentrate for wrinkles and stretch marks, advanced retinol, and anti-wrinkle intensive concentrate here. And we have a hair mask, which I could really enjoy right now because, again, like I said, the winter and things get very dry. So you need all the nourishing you can get. So this is a Nexus New York Salon Keratin Damage Healing Treatment with keratin protein and black rice. Next we have eye care from Reversa for puffiness and dark circles. I could use that when I get, because I don't get really good sleep when I'm on my period either, so that would be helpful. La Roche-Posay, a classic brand. I use their Cereplast, an amazing product. This is their lipid replenishing cream wash, anti-irritation, anti-scratching for reduced severe dryness, and it starts in the shower, it says. Next, we just have a travel size from Scandal. It's a Jean Paul Gaultier Intense. We have a Home. This is the Home Dior. So this is like so sexy. This smells like very manly. I really like this actually. I haven't smelled this before, but this is like really sophisticated packaging here. I like it. And I love gold perfumes. If you have not smelled the Casablanca Lily by Burrito, please get to your nearest retailer and smell it. It is chef's kiss. It is my signature fragrance. Can't wait to buy that one. This is the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Mineral Primer with cactus flower. I'm not really one that's, it smells like nothing. It's like just neutral, but I've never really used primers and I'm trying to get more into them. So yeah, I do like their products. They're a bit on the more expensive side, but their bronzers are like my go-to. So we'll see how this little guy works. We also have an Avane lip butter. I love these before nighttime as part of my routine. So this is a Hydrant Intense 24 hours. Again, really great and ideal for winter time coming up. Then we also have a Reversa SPF 30 here, Radiance Broad Spectrum with glycolic acid, vitamin C, and Remix Extract. I actually am using a glycolic mask right now by Ren. I just picked it up at Winners. It is so far really great. I do like natural products and I have liked the results it's given my skin so far. I just use it once a week and it's like an orange consistency. So I really do want to shout that one out. We also have a Reversa Antioxidant Booster Serum with green tea and vitamin B and blee glucan. We also have, there's quite a bit of stuff in here, guys. We have a Juvenance Cleansing Milk. I love these, guys, especially for taking off makeup. It says it removes, cleanses, tones, and hydrates. We also have this Laboratories Filgoraga Paris Ultra Nutrient Replenishing Cream. So we'll see. I can't smell it. I'll open up. And then we also have Strivectin Multi-Action Super B Barrier Strengthening Oil with vitamin B3. Little drops. I love oils in the winter time coming up. The Reversa. This is a 3-in-1 mild gel cleanser. It's paraben free. It removes makeup and it also moisturizes. So the less you have to buy and a product does more in one, it's kind of like easier that way and much more beneficial for me because I just don't have to go out there and buy like a set of products. You know what I'm saying? So we also have the Juvenance. This is a rejuvenating cream. These little minis here, which are great for your purse. Just pop them in, like if you're spending the night by someone, or I guess if I'm going to go on vacation. So it's anti-fatigue eye serum. So I haven't really used serum, so I'm excited to introduce them into my routine. I have Vasanti, a classic brand that's long-standing at shoppers. This is the Brighten Up Eczematic Face Rejuvenator. So, and most of the things here I noticed don't have like a heavy, like strong, intoxicating scent, but I really do appreciate because I do not like strong smells. And then we have a mini here. I think this is it, getting down to the rest. The Lotus Aroma Serum Radiance Anti-Wrinkle Day Serum. So if I already mentioned that already, I'm sorry. I think that's it, guys. I think I went through, oh, we have one more. This is the Chlorine, another brand that I'm not familiar with, but it's a micellar cleanser with organically formulated farmed cauliflower 3-in-1 makeup remover. I love like more like cleansing balms, but I like these two because they're really quick and effective. So yeah, we'll see how all these products work. This has a kind of stenchy. I'm very picky with scents, if you know what I mean, like if you can relate to that, but I'll use it. Like you might as well just try everything once because you know what I mean, like that's how you get familiar with new brands, and like it's really great to get introduced to them, and this is a perfect way. So I'm very grateful at everything I won here. I can't wait to see what my skin takes to. That's pretty much it for you guys. I also want to shout out quickly these Ardell Naked Lashes. I got this set at Winners as well for $8.99. It's the naked style, so I know about the 422 because one of my favorite YouTubers, she mentioned it, but I try the top ones here, the 420s, and I also get the 421s. So I am trying to get more into lashes because mascara for me is just, it's great, but it's not enough for me. I realize I like a natural lash because my lashes are very short, and so I like something that just gives my look a little bit of oomph. You know, I could have done it today, but like I figured I'm still trying to get used to lashes and putting them on. So I like this because this is a little like pre-Christmas gift to myself. And yeah, it's a great stocking stuffer if you're looking for someone who's really into makeup. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching with me. Please stay tuned for my Grammys prediction choices. I'm gonna get into that video. I love doing that every year because I'm a music junkie. But anyways, thank you so much for watching and have a great day. And I hope all is well and you enjoyed this content. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.